Come to my dear students, solve the second problem. I am reading the second problem. Prepare single column cash book of Mr. ABC Traders from the following data, that is on 2019 in the month of February. Once again I am repeating which type of cash book we are going to prepare. That is prepare single column cash book means they are asking single column cash book we have to prepare in the books of Mr. ABC Traders from the following data, that is on 2019, and come to give a indications which are going to be debit side and credit side. First one, cash balance. Balance is nothing but it is a opening balance. So according to debit side, opening values are always debit side. And come to the next one, purchase goods for cash. Credit side rule, purchase is always credit side. With only purchase that will be in cash related transactions only we have to consider. A name of the purchase transactions we don't want to consider in our cash books. Next, purchase furniture. This is also a purchase. It will come under into credit side transaction. And next one, cash received from Ajay. Cash received from Ajay. We are receiving cash from Ajay and receiving side always debit side. In debit side, receiving is the third condition. It will goes to debit side. Next, telephone bill. Bill is nothing but it is one type of payment. Payment is there in credit side. Next, goods sold to Ravi. Here we don't have any cash related transaction. This transaction also we don't want to consider because of it is a credit sale transaction. It will goes to sales book, but will not comes under into our cash book. And next one, interest paid. Interest paid. Payment is nothing but credit side transaction. And next one, purchase stationery. Purchase stationery is also expenses. Purchase is there in credit side. It will also credit side. Cash purchase. Purchase is also again credit side. Postage. Postage is also one type of payment. It will also credit side. Paid to Tarun. Payment is also credit side. Only two conditions. All receivings are always there in debit side. All payments will be in credit side. So that's two conditions we have to consider. And we have to solve the solutions and come to solve the problem based on day-wise transaction. We have to change. Solution number 2, single column cash book. First column date, particulars, ledger folio number, total amount. This part is goes to debit side, and next part the date, particulars, ledger folio number, total. This part is goes to credit side transactions. And come to the date. Date is most important. All transactions are same month in the same year. 2019 February. 2019 February. Come to the first one, that is opening balance. Opening balance is debit side, February 1st to cash balance worth is 10,000. Next one, purchase goods for cash. It will be credit side on second by purchase. Value 5,000. And next one, purchase furniture. Purchase also credit side, that is on 4th by furniture. Worth is 2,000. Let us get a clarity. In our first problem, I am writing total transaction, but here I am writing only particular transaction. Anything we have to write, no need to get confusion. First one is a basic problem, complete transaction also we have to write. But a condition we have to write particular transaction which is based on which type of things or which type of object of the transactions only we have to consider. That's the reason I am writing only the basic word of transaction only. And come to the next one. Cash received from Ajay. Receivings are always there in debit side, that is on 8th February to Ajay. Worth is 1,000. And next one, telephone bill, that is on 9th. It will be a payment. Payments are always there in credit side by telephone bill. Worth is 500. And next one, goods sold to Ram. We are not considering into our cash book. And next one, interest paid. Payment is always there in credit side, that is on 15 by interest. What is interest paid 1000. And next one, purchase stationery. Purchase is also credit side, that is on 16. Buy stationery. What is 2000. And next one, cash purchase, that is on 20. Purchase also again credit side. Purchase, sorry, cash purchase here. What is cash purchase 10,000. And next one, postage. Postage is also a payment, that is on 21st to buy postage. What is 1000. Next, paid to Tarun, that is on 25th. Buy Tarun, what is 500. Again we have to see all transactions are perfectly entered or not. Let us check the values. Cash balance 10,000 is completed. Next, purchase furniture 2000. Purchase furniture, sorry, purchase goods for cash 5,000, that is on second. Purchase 5,000 is over. Purchase furniture, buy furniture 2000 also completed. And next one, cash received from Ajay to Ajay 1000 is also completed. Telephone bill we are entered. Goods sold to Ravi we are not considering. Interest paid completed, that is amount is 1000. And stationery 2000. Cash purchase 10,000. Postage 1000. Tarun 500. These all entries are we are perfectly entered. Now let us finalize the problem. We have to know debit values. 10 plus 1, 11,000. In credit side, 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 21, 22,000. So in debit side we have 11,000, in credit side we have 22,000. So the credit value is excess with debit value. So we have to take excess values in total single column. 22,000, 22,000. Here we have only 11,000, that is least value with 22,000. We have to write here 11,000. So deduct the values. 11,000 we will get, and it will call as, that is on 28th to closing cash balance carried down. Then here comes to buy cash balance down 11,000. This is the problem we have to clarify. In our first problem we will get debit value is excess value. Now the second problem is excess value. That is the conditions we are going to solve. And come to the third problem, it is not relating to first and second, it will complete relating to both problems.